Did you know that outdated knowledge of corporate laws can cause delay in filing and thereby can cause you millions? Hi, my name is CS Jagati Mishra and I help companies stay compliant and updated. On 31st May, MCA announced that V2 portal will be shut down from June 18 and all 38 forms will be transferred to V3 portal. Let us know what are the key changes in forms which are required for annual filing of the companies. There are many changes in AOC 4 form, AOC 4 XBRL, AOC 1, AOC 2, board report, auditor report, MGT 7, MGT 7A, CRA 4, ADT 1, ADT 4, ADT 3, also MGT 15 and GNL 1. Now let us understand what are the key changes in AOC 4 form. Board report and auditor report are no longer be attached as PDF. It will be attached as linked form. AOC 4 CFS is not separate now. It will be attached as link form. Pre-fill date of previous year will be pre-filled, and if there is any change in that data, it needs to be justified. Disclosure of secretarial auditor report. Also, AOC 1 and AOC 2 will be as web linked form in AOC 4. CSR section in AOC 4 has been removed and file size has been increased to 10 MB. Now coming to MGT 7, shareholder or debenture holder list have to be attached in Excel format. Board meeting and other meetings have to be attached as in Excel format. MGT 8 will no longer be attached as PDF. It will be linked in MGT 7 and needs to be certified. Later, interior and exterior photo of registered office of the company needs to be attached. Director photo needs to be attached in MGT 7 form. Also, year-end details such as change in name or change in registered office needs to be shown in MGT 7 form. Let's work together to mitigate all risk and ensure timely filing. For connecting with me, DM me or mail me in the given email address below. Comment me for any queries.